What if I told you that your body is running a secret operation 24/7 that's more complex than any supercomputer on Earth? Right now, as you're watching this video, something absolutely incredible is happening inside you that most people will never discover. By the end of this video, you'll know 7 shocking truths about your own body that will completely change how you see yourself. And trust me, number 5 is going to blow your mind so hard you'll question everything you thought you knew about being human. Let's start with something that sounds impossible, but is happening right this second. Your body is producing 25 million new cells every single second of your life. I'll say that again because it's insane. 25 million brand new cells every second. That means in the 30 seconds it took me to explain this, your body just created 750 million completely new cells. It's like you have an invisible construction crew working around the clock, rebuilding you from the inside out without you ever feeling a thing. But here's where it gets really weird. Most of your body completely replaces itself every 7 to 10 years. Your skin? Gone and replaced every 2 to 3 weeks. Your liver? Brand new every 5 months. Even your bones are totally different every decade. So here's the mind-bending question. If almost every cell in your body is different than it was 10 years ago, are you still the same person? The only cells that stick around your whole life are in your brain and heart, which is why you keep your memories and personality, even though you're literally living in a completely different body. Now you might be thinking, if my body is constantly rebuilding itself, why do I age? Great question, and the answer reveals something incredible about your cellular machinery. Each time your cells divide, they get slightly less perfect copies. It's like making a photocopy of a photocopy. Eventually, the quality degrades, but some creatures have figured out how to beat this system entirely. There's a jellyfish called Turritopsis dohrnii that has achieved true biological immortality. When this jellyfish gets old, stressed, or injured, it literally reverses its aging process and becomes young again. It transforms its adult cells back into stem cells and rebuilds its entire body from scratch. Scientists have watched individual jellyfish do this multiple times in labs. So while we spend billions trying to stop aging, this tiny creature already solved death and could theoretically outlive our entire species. But let's get back to you, because your body has superpowers that are almost as incredible. Your blood travels 12,000 miles through your body every single day. That's like running from New York to Tokyo and back again. Except your blood does this continuously for your entire life without ever stopping. Your heart pumps about 2,000 gallons of blood daily through 60,000 miles of blood vessels. If you laid all your blood vessels end to end, they would circle the Earth twice. Here's what's truly incredible though. Your red blood cells only live for 4 months, which means your body completely replaces your entire blood supply 3 times per year. Every single red blood cell makes about 250,000 round trips through your circulatory system before wearing out and being recycled. So your blood is constantly regenerating itself while running an endless marathon that never stops until the moment you die. Now let's talk about your brain, because this is where things get really scary and amazing at the same time. Your brain uses more energy than any supercomputer on Earth, yet it only weighs 3 pounds and runs on the same power as a 20-watt light bulb. Your brain processes 11 million bits of information every second, but you're only consciously aware of about 40. This means your brain is constantly making decisions and filtering reality without you even knowing it. But here's the part that will keep you awake at night. Your brain is more active when you're sleeping than when you're awake. While you sleep, your brain washes itself with cerebrospinal fluid that flushes out toxic proteins and waste that build up during the day. This cleaning process only happens during deep sleep and is essential for preventing diseases like Alzheimer's. Your brain also reorganizes your entire knowledge base every night, deciding which memories to keep and which to throw away. So sleep isn't rest for your brain. It's the most important work your brain does. And skipping sleep literally prevents your brain from taking out the trash. Your tongue can taste millions of different flavors, but it has a hidden 5th taste that most people never discover. You learned about sweet, sour, salty, and bitter in school. But your tongue actually detects umami, which makes food irresistibly delicious. Your tongue has 10,000 taste buds that completely replace themselves every 2 weeks. But here's the crazy part. Your sense of taste is actually 80% smell, which is why food tastes bland when you have a cold. Your eyes can distinguish between 10 million different colors, but they have a secret ability that's even more incredible. Your eyes are actually time machines. Every photon of light that hits your retina traveled for a specific amount of time to reach you, meaning you never see anything in real time. When you look at the sun, you're seeing it as it was 8 minutes ago. When you look at yourself in a mirror, you're seeing yourself as you were a few nanoseconds in the past. This means you've never actually seen your present self, only past versions of yourself reflected back through light. And finally, here's the most mind-blowing fact of all. Your brain stores the equivalent of 2.5 million gigabytes of information, but it doesn't work like a computer. Instead of storing exact copies, your brain reconstructs memories every time you recall them. This means every memory changes slightly each time you remember it. Your brain also creates false memories that feel completely real. So your memory is constantly rewriting your personal history while processing reality faster than your conscious mind can keep up. Some of you are probably wondering how you can use this information to actually improve your life. Start by respecting your body's incredible complexity. Get quality sleep so your brain can clean itself. Pay attention to what you eat because your taste buds are constantly regenerating. And remember that you're literally a different person than you were a few years ago. So don't be afraid to change and grow. I want you to try something right now. Put your hand on your chest and feel your heartbeat. Remember that heart is pumping 2,000 gallons of blood today alone, and it's one of the only organs that will stay with you your entire life. Comment below and tell me which fact shocked you the most. If this video made you appreciate your body in a new way, hit that subscribe button because I've got more mind-bending science coming that will change how you see everything around you. And share this with someone who needs to know just how incredible they really are.